How to add apps to home screen or allow app to show on home screen after install the new application on a Samsung device. By default, when you go to Play Store and install any application, you can't see this app on your home screen. If you want to show that app on home screen, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the setting gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now here you can find add new apps to home screen. Here you can see disable this button because we enable the lock home screen layout. So make sure to toggle off the lock home screen layout to enable the add new apps to home screen feature on a Samsung device. So toggle on add new app to home screen. Now open the Play Store on your device and search for the any application you want to install on your phone. Here we search the any application for a Chrome. Now we install the any application. Here we install this. Now when installing this application, you can see this app shortcut on the home screen on your device because we enable the feature to allow app to add home screen. Now you can see install app. Now go to home screen and you can find the app on the home screen. If you don't want to show app on home screen, again go to settings and toggle off the add new app to home screen. That's it. If you like it, share it.